Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Lumos Fiber offers a compelling alternative for internet connectivity, particularly if you're seeking a departure from traditional cable providers. They specialize in fiber optic internet service, known for delivering significantly faster upload and download speeds compared to cable internet. This makes Lumos a strong contender for households with heavy internet usage, such as streaming in 4K, online gaming, or working from home. Their official website, found at lumosfiber.com, provides a clear and user-friendly interface for exploring their services. You can easily input your address to check service availability in your area, a crucial first step before considering a switch. The website also details the various internet plans offered by Lumos, outlining different speed tiers and pricing options to suit varying needs and budgets. Lumos Fiber emphasizes its commitment to reliable and consistent service, highlighting the inherent stability of fiber optic technology. This technology is less susceptible to disruptions caused by weather or other external factors, a common frustration with cable internet. They also promote their customer service, aiming to provide responsive and helpful support to their subscribers. While exploring Lumos Fiber as a potential internet provider, it's advisable to delve into customer reviews and compare their offerings to other available options in your locality. Understanding the experiences of current subscribers can provide valuable insights into the real-world performance and customer satisfaction levels associated with Lumos Fiber. Considering alternatives ensures you're making an informed decision based on your specific requirements and the competitive landscape in your area. Remember to factor in not only speed and price, but also customer service reputation and overall reliability when making your final decision.